Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I took a break. I needed about a week off so that I can just get my mind right. I had just got back from Rhode Island due to my job. You see, I got got the vest on in the house. So just want to let you guys know that I'm representing. So if you don't know, I am the wingman. I got all different type of sauces. Yes, yes, because I love chicken, I love tacos, I love steak, but most importantly, I love fire content. So it don't matter if it's mild salsa or hot salsa, I'm here to deliver that delicious content for you guys. And today, we all know that I'm always here as your wingman to help you on your journey in investing. This is a personal finance channel. Teach you guys how to invest. Let you guys know of all the pitfalls of just how to stand out in the marketplace as a man, as a woman, to make wealth day to day. And I give you guys the tips and the tools you need to develop money management skills, and then just also just build wealth without a wealth manager. So you can become your own personal wealth manager without spending the 1 to 2% on your actual investment. So today, I wanted to do a video today about my portfolio. I wanted to go over the updates of my dividend portfolio, my overall portfolio, because I did several buys and several sales in the past several days. And so what you'll see is that on my actual portfolio view, as you see right here, I was actually over $50,000. I made that video. I created and hit a large milestone of hitting over $50,000 and hitting over $80,000. But as you see, due to today, as of August 11th, due to the numbers of the PPI data that just came out, and so since that was a little bit higher than usual, the market went down. So as you see, my portfolio has went down, and then also due to the U.S. dollar, and also the U.S. Not saying that they defaulted on their loans, but let's just say that our credit rating, global wide, has went down. And so that had happened, I guess, on like Tuesday and Wednesday, and since then the market has been in a free fall. And honestly, for me, I love it when the market is in a free fall, because in my mind, I see it as buying more money, buy more stocks. But as you see, I just want to just give a preface for you guys. 'Cause I know you guys, if you've been watching my videos, like, man, I remember seeing your portfolio over $50,000. What happened? Yeah. So since Wednesday or Tuesday or Wednesday, the market has been in like consecutive red days, like 2 to 4 days in the red. And so as you see right here, my dividend portfolio was over $50,000. Now it's 49,000, and it's going down to 48. And so my Roth IRA was well over into 11,000, and my Rollover IRA was around 20,000, and I think it was like 20,500. And so you see, today's also a red day. It's Friday, so it's been red for the past 3 to 4 days, and some activity. I just want to go over activity that uh, that I've done so far. Just in the market, within my particular portfolio, so that you probably haven't really realized. So in my dividend portfolio, and a lot of my portfolios, I wanted to focus more on growth. Uh, I have high dividend, high yielders in my portfolio, but I saw, for me, I saw that right now, oil, water are things that we need, right? But what are, for me, I was looking at things like, in terms of, like, right now, I'm currently buying Bitcoin. I'll talk about that in my next video in terms of the dollar declining. So make sure you look at that video. But for this, I wanted to see. I want to invest into things like between 5 to 20 years that I know that what's going to go up. And so what I did was going from the end of July, because it's middle of August right now, going to the end of July, going into the beginning of August, I began to focus more so on semiconductor stocks. For me, I love semiconductor stocks because we need that in everything from calculators, computers, televisions, anything tech, cars like Teslas and EVs and like semiconductors is going to be needed, and it's going that space is going to grow substantially. And so I decided to uh, place a big bet into that space, into that sector. And so what you see right here is that uh, I sold Lamb Research right here, and I bought an Enbridge, which is oil and gas, because I wanted more high yield because I saw the yield of my portfolio was going down. I bought Amgen. I sold out of Visa. I sold out of Texas Roadhouse. I sold out of Coca-Cola. And what I did was, honestly, Coca-Cola was, you see right here, it's, sold out. It was really like $1,200, and I had Coca-Cola since it was like my staple stock that I've had since I began investing like 5 or 6 years ago. So I know you're like, why did you sell Coca-Cola? Why did you? What are you trying to do? So what I'm trying to do is that I want high growth. I want to retire by 50 years old, and for me, and don't get me wrong, I love Coca Cola. It's stable, but I need some high growth. I need something that's going to grow uh, fast within 5 to 10 years. It's going to double my money, triple my money, and then later on I can sell that asset and buy Coca Cola, buy realty income. But I need that rate of return right now, and so as you see right here, I bought this Discover Finance. I bought Cintas, Wasco. I bought some UPS, Snap On, and then right here at the end of the month, I bought uh, SMH, which is the VanEck ETF Trust Semiconductor. So in this ETF, it has all of the semiconductor stocks that you probably have heard of, or probably haven't heard of, which is like NVIDIA, Lam Research, KLA, Broadcom, Texas Instruments, et cetera, et cetera. And so I I saw that the semiconductor space, yeah, it has its ups and has its downs, but in its good years, you're getting on a high end 35 to 40% rate of return. On a low end, maybe 10 to 15%. That's still amazing because the ceiling is a lot higher, and I want to double my money. Also, as you see at the end of the month, I sold out of Smucker, which is one of my high income, high stocks that really been with me since day one. But again, I want that high rate of return. I want to double my money now, and so I bought into Eli Lilly, which is a stock that's it goes up a lot, and it produces a lot of rate of return. I bought KLA, which is a semiconductor stock. I bought some Enbridge so I can level out just a more so yield, because a lot of these stocks are less than 1% in terms of dividend yield. And then also I bought Centos, and then I'll leave August for August. So as you see right here, uh, with my portfolio, and I'll go into detail in another video. With my portfolio, I'm at right now at an annual income of $1,665. I have a dividend yield of 3.39% and a yield on cost of 3.63. But when you take consideration of all my stocks all together, or all my new buys, my dividend yield has went down. My yield on cost has went down. My annual income has went up because I bought a lot more high yielder stocks like Mo and Enbridge, and I sold out of a lot of just stocks that really, I just I kept some high yielding stocks, but for the most part, I bought more low yielders. Like for example, because we're going over just portfolio updates uh, for my Roth IRA, as you see right here. Uh, I kept I kept my I kept my Tesla investment. Uh, so my Tesla market value right here. So I kept my Tesla investment. I kept Parker Hannifin Lowe's and Analog Devices. I forgot the stock that I sold out of, but I sold out of the Blue Cross Blue Shield stock, and I ended up buying Lam Research because I'm heavily in love with semiconductor stocks. Added that into my Roth IRA. I bought this financial stock. It's in the insurance space. It's called Kinsale Capital, and then I left Monolithic Power alone. And then for the last update for my rollover IRA, I recently sold out of Tractor Supply, which is kind of, you know, uh, I don't know if I really wanted to do that. But I bought the Dividend King Nordson, which is in the industrial space. I kept VGT, Texas Roadhouse, Centos. I also sold out of Visa, and I sold out of another stock, and then I bought ASML, which is a semiconductor stock, and I also bought SMH, which is also the uh, the semiconductor ETF. So as overall, as you see, these are the major plays where these certain buys that I bought are lower in yield, less than 1%, but less than 2%, but has a big bang in terms of stock price appreciation, stock or ETF appreciation, so that I'm trying to reach my goal so that when by the time I hit 50 years old, I have enough pots so I can sell and I can live off of, so that I can travel and, live probably in London, live in Philippines, live in Colombia or Peru. I don't see myself staying here in the United States. So I'm trying to get my money and have my money compound uh, faster at a rate of 25-30%, so that my money can double, and then so I can really, do something with it. So if you guys appreciate this video, like and subscribe. Make sure you stop on by on my next video, which go over my dividend income that I made in July, and then also transition to show you guys how much I'm planning on making in the month of August of 2023. So I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.